My name is Sam. I am 35 years old. I have a wife. Her name is Jessica. We live in a nice house. I have a good job. I have a good car. My life looks perfect, but I have a secret. It is a big secret. I do not love my wife. Jessica is a good woman. She is very kind. She is beautiful. She loves me very much. I know she loves me. I see it in her eyes every day. Every morning she wakes up early. She makes breakfast for me. The coffee is always hot. The food is always good. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Sam." I smile back. I say, "Good morning, Jessica." But my smile is not real. My heart is not happy. I feel sad inside. She packs my lunch for work. She puts a small note inside the bag. The note says, "Have a good day, I love you." I read the note every day. Every day I feel a little more sad. I am not a bad person, but I live a lie. My whole life is a lie. This marriage is a lie. 5 years ago, my life was very different. I had a small company. I worked very hard, but I failed. I lost everything. I lost my business. I lost all my money. I had no place to live. My friends left me. I was completely alone. It was a very dark time. I slept in my old car. I did not eat much. I felt hopeless. I thought my life was over. I wanted to disappear. Then I met Jessica. She worked in a small cafe. It was a warm place. I went there for a cheap cup of coffee. I sat in a corner alone. She came to my table. She had kind eyes and a soft voice. She said, "You look sad. Is everything okay?" I did not want to talk, but she was very kind. So I told her everything. I told her about my company. I told her about my money. I told her I was alone. She listened. She did not judge me. She just listened. After I finished, she brought me a big plate of food. She said, "This is for you. You need to eat." I wanted to cry. I had no money to pay. I said, "I cannot pay for this." She smiled. Her smile was like the sun. She said, "It is okay. Sometimes we all need help." I went to that cafe every day. Jessica always gave me food. She talked to me. She gave me hope. She was my only friend. She helped me find a small room to rent. She helped me find a new job. It was not a big job, but it was a start. She was my angel. She saved my life. I felt so much gratitude. I wanted to thank her. I wanted to give her everything. I thought this feeling was love. I made a big mistake. One evening we walked into a park. The sky was beautiful. I looked at her. I said, "Jessica, you saved me. I want to be with you always." I asked her to marry me. She was so happy. Her eyes filled with tears of joy. She said, "Yes, Sam, yes." We got married. I felt good. I felt I did the right thing. I repaid my debt to her. I thought I could learn to love her, but I was wrong. Now we live in this beautiful house. My job is good. I have money again, but I am not happy. I feel trapped. Her love is a beautiful cage. Every kind word is a new bar. I'm a prisoner in my own home. My gratitude is the lock on the door. Last month it was my birthday. I came home from work. The house was dark. I opened the door. Suddenly the lights turned on. All our friends were there. They shouted, "Surprise!" Jessica planned a big party for me. She hugged me. She said, "Happy birthday, my love." Everyone looked happy. I had to smile. I had to act surprised and happy. But inside I felt nothing. I just felt tired. It was a performance. My life is a performance. A few weeks ago I was sick. I had a bad fever. I stayed in bed for 3 days. Jessica was amazing. She stayed home from her job. She took care of me. She brought me soup. She gave me medicine. She sat by my bed and read books to me. She was the perfect wife. My guilt was very big. Why can't I love this perfect woman? What is wrong with me? She thinks we have a perfect life. She thinks we are the happiest couple. She does not know the truth in my heart. She does not see the cage around me. Last night we had dinner. Jessica cooked my favorite meal. She lit candles. Everything was perfect. She was very happy. She held my hand. She looked into my eyes. Her eyes were full of love and excitement. She said, "Sam, our life is so good. We have a beautiful home. You have a great job. We have everything." I nodded. I said, "Yes, we do." Then she said the words that broke me. She said, "I think we are ready. Let's make our perfect life more perfect. Let's have a baby." Her words hit me like a wall. A baby, a child. It was the final lock on my cage. I could not breathe. My heart started to beat very fast. I looked at her happy face. She was dreaming of a family with a man who did not love her, a family built on a lie. I could not do it. I could not bring a child into this lie. It was not fair to her. It was not fair to the child. She deserves real love. She deserves a man who can be a real father to her baby. At that moment, I knew the performance was over. I had to tell her the truth. The truth was a terrible, painful thing. But a painful truth is better than a beautiful lie. I looked at her. Her smile was so bright. My heart was broken. I had to destroy her happiness. I had to destroy her dreams. I had to tell her my secret. I opened my mouth to speak. My whole body was shaking. I knew this was the end. Now tell me, what should Sam do next? Should he tell Jessica the truth or stay silent to protect her happiness? Share your opinion in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more emotional stories to learn English through real life.